Hi guys, I'm Ria and this is my book haul. Okay, so first of all, if I have to give a little story time, I saw this reel slash ad of this book fair event happening in Thane and I was like, jana padega. So I went there and I bought these books. So I bought these books and honestly, if I have to say, the price was neither very expensive or very cheap, I would say, because the most of these books were like for 300 rupees each. And if I have to give 300 rupees for a second or third copy or maybe even fourth copy, then I can just give 400 or 500 rupees and buy the first one. But I went there to buy the books and I bought the books, so zero complaints. I'm very happy with my collection so far, so zero complaints, and it was a good experience. So yeah, no hate. I would say that the exhibition was really nice. Not the exhibition, the book fair was really nice. There's so many books starting from like histories and biographies, then non-fiction to our favorite and I guess everybody's favorite, fiction. Then there were crimes, then there were comics, then there were art books, then there were puzzles, children's books. I was like very captivated by everything because I didn't expect it to be that huge of a deal, but it was very nice. Now the genre that I focused on was obviously fiction, but if you want to go and explore like many books in the book fair next time, so please, you can go ahead. So yeah, let's start with the book haul. Starting off, I have a small nephew, and when I saw this cute story book, I was like, I have to get this. If not for him, if he doesn't read it, I will, and have for the aesthetic. But it's so cute. It's like hardly 10 pages, but it's so cute. It's very cute. I just had to get it. I couldn't resist. And this was very cheap. This was for like 80 or 90 rupees. So I'm very happy with it. This is very cute. Here is the second book. And before the second book, I would just like to say, the people who say, don't judge a book by its cover, I'm sorry, but I do. Okay? I do. I really appreciate a good book cover. And this is the only sole reason why I bought this book. I'm guilty. I may be guilty, but this book's cover is so pretty. This book's cover, first of all, has all the stained glass window stuff, and then the windows have details on it, like potions and paws and apple and arrows and stuff, and I really fell in love with it. And after coming home, I googled this. I read the first page, and it was like part 4, and I was like, part 4? Where is part 1, 2, 3? So I googled it, and basically this is a part 2 of a book series, which is a trilogy. So I may or may not have to buy the 1 and 3rd book, but chalega. This is worth it. So yeah. Third book is this. Again, for the cover, I found it so pretty. It's a mouthful of birds, and I read the summary of this book, and it's so unique. It's so fascinating. I don't know, but when I read the summary of this, it was so different because I have mainly read crime and fiction and psychological thrillers and stuff. So reading this was like reading the summary of this, it was like I found it so interesting. This world does not belong to us, which again I found so the cover so unique and pretty. Second or third page said something like, we listen to insects and human voices with different ears, and I was sold. Now the next book is a very cutesy little romance novel. Now who doesn't like a simple romance book? it's just a very light read for traveling or just for lightening up the mood. So yeah, I bought this. Now the next one is a poetry book, and I am so into poetries. I love writing poetries, I love reading poetries. So yeah, and this was very cute. This was also, I guess, illustrated very cutely. So yeah, The Book of Tomorrow. Now I read about this book so many years ago, like I guess 1 or 2 years ago, and I was like, whenever I find this, I'm going to buy it. And it was like destiny. I was just surfing through the pile, and this was on the very first rack, and I was like, this is called Fate. So I bought this. The Circle of Shadows. First, I found the cover very pretty. Secondly, I read the summary of this, and it's a very nice book, worthy of buying. So yeah, now As Good as Dead. I have the first and second part. I never got hands on the third part, and I have heard the reviews of this series that the second part is okay, very good, but the final part is, and the very last but not the least, The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. There was a separate section for bookmarks and magnetic bookmarks and stuff. Now, in my defense, I make my own bookmarks. I love when I make them and I get to use them. But I was tempted, okay? They were so pretty ones. So I bought one Sherlock. It's so pretty, the iconic door. So I had to get it. And then the second one is very aesthetically pleasing. It says, please don't expect too much from me, and it's a magnetic bookmark. So yeah, I bought it. Here are the 10 books which I have bought from the book fair, and I guess the total price of these were 1700 or 1800 or so, and I guess it's very justified by the quality. The quality is like, this is wrapped, fully wrapped. This pen test approved. So yeah, I'm very content. If you like this book haul, please subscribe to my channel. This is my very first video, and hopefully not the last. And if you like this video,